Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting episode here on Boats Yacht. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the world of maritime marvels with a special focus on the Ocean Emotion, a boat that's turning heads wherever it sails. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just someone who dreams of cruising the open waters, this video is for you. We're going to explore everything this vessel has to offer, from its standout features to its sleek design, cozy interior, impressive performance, and what sets it apart from the rest. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's set sail into the details of the Ocean Emotion. Let's start with the key features that make the Ocean Emotion a standout on the water. This boat is a beauty to behold, measuring in at a respectable length that offers plenty of space without feeling overwhelming. One of the first things you'll notice is the sturdy hull, designed to handle the challenges of the ocean with confidence. It's equipped with a variety of safety gear, including life preservers and buoys in a rainbow of colors lining the deck, ensuring you and your crew are protected no matter the conditions. The boat also boasts a spacious deck area, perfect for soaking up the sun or hosting a small gathering with friends. You've got ample seating with colorful cushions that add a pop of personality, and there's even a covered section to shield you from the elements when needed. Navigation is made easy with modern equipment mounted on the bridge, giving you all the tools to chart your course with precision. For those who love a bit of adventure, the Ocean Emotion comes with storage for fishing gear and other water toys, making it a versatile choice for a day out on the sea. It's clear this boat is built with both functionality and fun in mind, appealing to anyone looking to make the most of their time on the water. Moving on to the design, the Ocean Emotion is a true head-turner with its elegant yet practical aesthetic. The exterior is painted in a crisp white that reflects the sunlight, giving it a clean and timeless look that's easy to maintain. What really catches the eye, though, is the bold blue whale graphic adorning the hull, adding a playful yet striking touch that celebrates the ocean theme. The boat's lines are smooth and streamlined, suggesting speed and efficiency as it cuts through the waves. The roofline is slightly slanted, providing just enough coverage without compromising the open-air feel that boat enthusiasts crave. The deck layout is thoughtfully arranged, with railings and cleats strategically placed for safety and convenience, whether you're docking or casting off. The name, Ocean Emotion, is proudly displayed in elegant lettering, reinforcing the boat's identity as a vessel that evokes passion for the sea. From a technical standpoint, the design incorporates a deep V-hull, which is a favorite among ocean-going boats for its stability in rough waters. This design choice, combined with a moderate beam, ensures the boat handles well in varying conditions, making it suitable for both coastal cruises and longer journeys. For the layman, think of it as a boat that looks good and feels solid, like a trusty companion you can rely on for any adventure. Inside, the interior features of the Ocean Emotion are where comfort meets practicality, creating a home away from home on the water. Step below deck, and you're greeted by a surprisingly roomy cabin that maximizes every inch of space. The main living area features plush seating arranged around a compact table, ideal for meals or casual chats with your crew. The upholstery is durable yet soft, designed to withstand the marine environment while still feeling inviting. Lighting is a highlight here, with natural light streaming in through portholes and supplemented by warm, adjustable interior lights for those evening hours. The sleeping quarters are cozy, with berths that can accommodate a small group, each fitted with storage underneath to keep your gear organized. There's a small galley equipped with a sink, stove, and storage for supplies, making it easy to whip up a meal even miles from shore. The head, or bathroom, is compact but functional, featuring a marine toilet and a shower that's a luxury on a boat of this size. For the tech-savvy, the cabin includes a navigation station with space for charts and electronics, ensuring you're always on course. For those new to boating, this setup means you can live comfortably for a weekend trip or even longer, with everything you need packed into a space that feels surprisingly spacious. When it comes to performance aspects, the Ocean Emotion doesn't disappoint, delivering a ride that balances power and efficiency. The boat is powered by a reliable engine. Though exact specs might vary depending on the model year or customization, designed to push it through the water with a steady pace. Top speeds are respectable for its class, allowing you to reach your destination in good time, while the fuel efficiency ensures you can enjoy extended trips without constant refueling stops. The deep V-hull we mentioned earlier plays a big role here, cutting through waves with minimal rocking, which keeps everyone on board comfortable even in choppy seas. Maneuverability is another strong point, thanks to a well-designed rudder and responsive controls that make docking a breeze, even for those still mastering the art. The boat's weight distribution is carefully balanced, contributing to its stability whether you're cruising at a leisurely pace or picking up speed. For the technically inclined, this means a hull shape and engine combo optimized for seaworthiness, while for the average viewer, it translates to a smooth, enjoyable ride that handles like a dream. Whether you're fishing, exploring, or just enjoying the scenery, the Ocean Emotion's performance makes every trip a pleasure. Now, let's talk about the unique selling points that set the Ocean Emotion apart from the crowd. One of the most eye-catching features is that whale graphic on the hull, a signature element that not only looks cool but also ties into the boat's ocean-inspired theme, making it instantly recognizable. This artistic touch is more than just decoration. It's a statement of personality, appealing to those who want a boat that stands out without screaming for attention. Another standout is the versatility of the deck space, which can transform from a sunbathing haven to a fishing platform or party area with minimal effort, thanks to the thoughtful layout and storage options. The use of colorful buoys and life preservers adds a practical yet vibrant flair, enhancing safety while keeping the aesthetic lively. For those who value customization, the Ocean Emotion offers opportunities to tailor the interior or add features like upgraded electronics or additional seating, ensuring it fits your specific needs. The boat's reputation for durability is also a big draw, built to withstand the rigors of saltwater and long voyages, which is a relief for anyone worried about maintenance costs. For the layperson, this means a boat that's as unique as you are, ready for any adventure, and tough enough to last. For the boating aficionado, it's a blend of style, function, and resilience that's hard to beat in its class. As we wrap up this journey through the Ocean Emotion, it's easy to see why it's capturing the hearts of boat lovers everywhere. The key features provide a solid foundation with safety and space at the forefront, while the design offers a blend of elegance and practicality that's hard to resist. The interior brings comfort to the forefront, turning a boat into a floating retreat where you can relax and recharge. Performance-wise, it delivers a smooth and capable ride, whether you're out for a quick spin or a multi-day cruise. And those unique selling points, from the whale graphic to its customizable nature, make it a vessel that feels personal and special. Here on Sir Boats Yacht, we love exploring boats that combine innovation with enjoyment, and the Ocean Emotion certainly fits the bill. If you're thinking about hitting the water with this beauty, it's worth checking out local dealers or boat shows to see it in action. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more yacht reviews, and drop a comment below. Tell us your favorite feature of the Ocean Emotion or any boat you'd love us to cover next. Until next time, fair winds and following seas from all of us at Sir Boats Yacht.